Hi, it's Angela Critters. Welcome in. Today we are going to roast sweet potatoes, and the reason why we're roasting them rather than boiling them is I'm making a pie, and it's worth the extra effort because of the fact that roasted you get 100% of the flavor. You don't lose any of the flavor or any of the nutrients either. So I've scrubbed my potatoes really well, and then you pierce them. You will have an easier time than this. My hands are not the best. You use sweet potatoes of the same size if possible. You try not to get them one real big and one small. And for my pie, I need two. And so these two were the closest I could find. I'm going to cook them at 425. My oven is preheated. We're going to cook them on aluminum foil or parchment paper to make cleanup good. Meanwhile, I'm going to continue pricking because you want to let the steam out. And there's just nothing like fresh sweet potato compared to canned. Canned is fine, but for pies and things for the holidays, it's worth a little bit of extra effort. Now we're going to dry them off. We do not put oil on them. My oven's ready, so they're going in. They're going to start at 45 minutes, and then I'm going to check and see how they're doing. I've got my new gadget out. Easy Grip Potato Masher. I need Easy Grip. Isn't that cute? From TJ Maxx, $2.99. Ended up cooking 70 minutes because they were so large. But I want you to see why, why I put them on foil. We'll just be able to pick this up and throw it away. As they steamed, some of the sweet sugar oozed out of both of them. So now they're going to get completely cool. Look at that. Doesn't that look wonderful? I love a sweet potato. For a pie, you just cannot beat a roasted potato, but I am going to take the time to clean it up. Nobody wants to eat the little eyes and things on their pie. But, you know, we don't make sweet potato pie often around here. I only make it once or twice a year. So I don't mind going to a little bit of extra trouble to not use canned. Now, you can also grate sweet potatoes raw and cook them. You know, there's all kinds of ways to do sweet potatoes. But for this particular pie that I'm going to be making, I like to roast them. The roasted just brings out the flavor. But you see how I am cleaning up the potatoes. And you don't do all this before you cook them. You can't really see them until they've been cooked. You'll love having a roasted sweet potato. They make a great snack. You can cut it in half, put some feta cheese on it with a little bit of olive oil and little bits of chopped up nuts. Oh, it's so good. But see how I'm not pureeing this. I'm just mashing it up. And there's another little piece I need to take out. Well, bye-bye.